In this segment, we're going to show how to web and laminate with a Royal Sovereign RSC 820 CLS laminator. First, we need to get our roll of lamination material. With our laminate, we want to see what direction the material is rolled onto the core. In this case, we want to have the laminate to the bottom and our release liner to the top in order to do proper webbing. We take our roll of laminate and remove the rear supply shaft and feed it into the core of the laminator and reinsert it onto the lamination machine. From here, we're going to open up the gap on our rollers with a quick notch system and raise the protective cover. We're going to insert a piece of sacrificial material into the laminator and then take our laminate and bring it underneath the idler bar over the roller and into the lamination roll. From here, we're going to close the nip on the lamination rolls. Close our guide. Then we're going to take a screwdriver and slip the release liner on the laminate. From here, I can then separate the release liner from the lamination material by sliding my screwdriver over. We're going to hit the run button and advance the lamination release liner so that we can attach it to the take-up reel. Now we're going to add double stick tape to the release liner take-up. And now we're going to remove the safety cover with the little pull pin. And tape the release liner to the take-up port. Put the safety cover back on the laminator. And advance the film by hitting the run button. Now we have our laminator webbed. Now our next step is to put our material that we need to be laminated onto the bottom supply shaft. Pull your material up over the feed table. Align it with your laminate and hit the run button. Now your material will be laminated.